Welcome to Grade VII Science Chapter 8, Supplementary Facts. The world's largest stone sundial, the Samrat Yantra, is located at the Jantar Mantar in Jaipur, Rajasthan. It is 27 meters high, and its shadow moves at about 1 millimeter per second, allowing it to measure time intervals as short as 2 seconds. In ancient India, time was first measured using shadows, as mentioned in Kautilya's Arthasastra around the 2nd century BCE. By the 1st century BCE, Indians used a time unit called a Gatika, one of 60 equal parts of a day. They also invented the Gatika Yantra, a water clock where a bowl filled and sank in about 24 minutes. Later, in 499 CE, the astronomer Aryabhata described an improved version of this water clock in his work, the Aryabhatiya. Modern atomic clocks are so precise that they lose only 1 second in millions of years. The smallest time interval that a typical wall clock can measure is 1 second. Speedometer measures the vehicle's speed in kilometer per hour, whilst an odometer measures the total distance traveled in kilometers.